Ciao guys, Carlos from Tagliamare here again with you, and today I want to show you something that will come really handy to you when you need to know what is the right dimension you should apply to your models in order to respect scale proportions. I built a very simple scale calculator on my website. It is free to use, and today I'm going to show you how this works. Indeed, you can calculate the right scale dimension of your models using a standard calculator, but I find it way faster than calculating it by hand. It's just in Italian for the moment, but it's very intuitive. Plus, you can use the Google Translator function built in Google Chrome. Let's start. So let's imagine you want to build a block that measures 18.9 centimeters in real life. The model you are building, let's say, is 1/36 scale, so let's type 36 here. Let's click on calculate, and there you have the correct measure you should build your block. I leave you the link in the description below for an easy access. I hope this short video was useful to you, and if you enjoy, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content, and see you in the next video.